Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I will walk you through our innovative tool called Website to Brand Identity, which we built on Simple AI. This tool is designed to help you quickly and generate efficiently reverse engineer the branding guidelines of any website just by providing its URL. Let's dive into how it works. We have two components, use and build. Use is where we run and interact with the tool. Build is where we create and configure with the tool. So, this tool operates in three major steps: user inputs, user steps, tool outputs. So, now let's start with building the tool. In the user input step, you will enter the website URL that you want to analyze. The tool asks for this as the primary input. So here we will input the URL of the Apple company as it is one of the most famous company in this world. Now going to the next step, we will use the tool Web Scraper. The tool automatically scraps the content from the provided URL as it has fetched the variable of the URL from the above step automatically. This can include text, images, and any relevant content on the website. Now we are seeing that there is something new for us, and that is guardrails configuration. So, talking about guardrails configuration, what is it? To ensure everything operates nicely and error free, you can implement guardrails. These act as quality assurance. These are the validators you can use in the tool. Now, going to the next step. This is one of the major step, and that is LLM call. So once the website content is scraped, the tool sends this data to an advanced language model. And here we will input our prompt by giving some major details to it. Those are like brand voice and tone, brand messaging, audience, value proposition, content themes. The prompt can vary from different to different person as about their need and tool. Now we have different kinds of model. So here I am choosing GPT-4 Mini as these model analyzes the content to extract the brand identity, focusing on the elements such as brand voice, tone, colors, and overall branding strategy. Now, this is one of the major step which is for we are waiting, and that is the tool output. So you can see there are two things: key and value. So key is the desired output name, what you want. So here I am writing desired output. Now value contains the variables of the above step which contains the final output. So you can input it by selecting it from here, and here I am selecting LLM call answer because my output for the final thing is in LLM call. So this. And now you have to select on add output, and the major thing is to save the tool. After saving the tool, click on the run tool button and we can see how it is processing. You can see that it has scraped the data from the URL, and now the LLM has given the answer. So let's come to the output section. We can see that the result is a comprehensive branding guideline that includes details like a brand's voice and tone, brand's messaging style, audience, value proposition, all derived from the website's content. This output is delivered in a format that you can easily use for your branding needs. And that's it. With just a simple URL input, our tools give you a detailed brand identity breakdown, making it easy for you to understand and apply branding strategies, whether you are a marketer, designer, or just someone interested in branding. This tool is for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool tools and tech tips. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you, everyone.